Have you ever wanted to transform your body but didn't know where to start? What if I told you that with just one simple exercise you could build strength, burn fat, and improve your overall fitness all in just a matter of weeks? That's right. Today, we're diving into the world of push-ups, one of the most powerful and versatile exercises out there. In this video, we'll explore why push-ups are so effective, break down a simple yet powerful 4-week routine, and share tips to maximize your results. By the end, you'll have everything you need to start your fitness journey. Let's get into it. Section 1. The power of push-ups. First, let's talk about why push-ups are such a game changer. They're a compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups at once. Your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core are all engaged during a proper push-up. Plus, push-ups help improve posture, stability, and even cardiovascular endurance if done in high reps. Think about it, no gym membership, no fancy equipment, just you and the floor. Push-ups are accessible to everyone, from beginners to advanced fitness enthusiasts. Quick tip: did you know that push-ups also boost your metabolism? This makes them great for fat loss and muscle building simultaneously. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, they're an excellent addition to your routine. Section 2. The 4-week push-up plan. Now, let's get to the good stuff, the 4-week plan that will help you transform your body. Remember, consistency is key. Follow this plan, and you'll see real progress. Week 1. Focus on mastering the basics. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 push-ups, resting for 30 to 60 seconds between sets. If you're a beginner, start with knee push-ups or incline push-ups to build strength. Your goal here is to nail the form. Keep your back straight, core tight, and elbows at a 45-degree angle. Week 2. It's time to step it up. Add wide grip and incline push-ups to your routine. These variations target different muscle groups, giving you a balanced upper body workout. Alternate between regular push-ups, wide grip, and incline for 3 sets of 12 reps each. Week 3. Now you're ready for a challenge. Incorporate diamond push-ups and decline push-ups into your workout. These variations will test your triceps and shoulders like never before. Do 3 sets of 10 reps for each variation, resting as needed. Week 4. It's beast mode time. This week, we're adding explosive push-ups and Spider-Man push-ups to the mix. Explosive push-ups build power and speed, while Spider-Man push-ups engage your core. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps for each. Don't forget to challenge yourself, you're stronger than you think. Section 3. Tips for perfect form. Now, let's talk about form. It's easy to get sloppy, but proper technique is what gets results and prevents injuries. Here are some tips. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. No sagging hips or arching backs. Engage your core throughout the movement. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine. Lower yourself slowly and push up with control. Rushing through the movement reduces its effectiveness. Breathe. Inhale as you go down. Exhale as you push up. Remember, quality over quantity. 10 perfect push-ups are better than 20 bad ones. Section 4. Motivation and final words. Finally, let's talk about staying motivated. Progress takes time, but every representative you do brings you closer to your goals. Take progress photos, track your reps, and celebrate small wins along the way. Consistency is your best friend. Push-ups might seem simple, but they're incredibly powerful. Stick with this routine for 4 weeks, and you'll notice a stronger chest, toned arms, and a more defined core. More importantly, you'll feel stronger and more confident every day. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more fitness tips and routines. Let's transform our bodies together. You've got this.